Hello, this jazz is quite loud, I'm going to turn it down. But yeah, streaming again, more N8Jam. So today we're going to be working on some final levels. I want to add the little square base thing I made last, or like, I don't know, 2 streams ago, as another base that can only connect to other squares. And I also want to, I think I said music, I don't know, but we're just gonna make stuff better. So yeah, let's get started. I suppose we're gonna work on the what's it called? The square thing, square base. So yeah. What we're gonna do, we'll go into the testing level. I just need to check if level 6 and level 7 are the same. No, they're not. Excellent. Test. And we're gonna do some things in it. Once I quickly just figure out how to close a load of rubbish that I've got open on my Google Chrome. So yeah, how do I'm actually struggling to find my sprite. There it is. Okay, yeah. Call you Squarebase, and we're going to edit script. Now the first thing I actually want to do is I want to go into my normal base and fix, or I want to add a public bool is square. I don't know how to make variables overrideable. Variables overrideable C#. Ah, the Microsoft documentation. You love to see it. So what we're gonna do is, so here we go. Public abstract bool square false. And so I don't actually know if you can make abstract variables like assigned. You shouldn't be able to, should you? But it's let me do it. And doing this will let us actually work on the different type of base. People keep mentioning me on Discord. This song sounds strangely like Happy Birthday. I think it is. Is that why it's Creative Commons? Ah, here we go. Yeah, cannot declare body because it's marked abstract. So I want to be able to override. I want a base, but I also should be virtual. Hopefully. Yes, there we go. And then we can override this. Base controller, yep. Control C, Control V. Square base controller. Paste this in. and then public override bool is square, get return true. That should just work. Oh, people in chat. Ultra Black, hi, and also hi Joba. Am I muted? Or am I just really quiet? Let me just quickly check my stream. Am I the same volume as normal? Or am I don't know anything that should be different. It says I'm the same volume on OBS. Have you turned YouTube down? I feel like you're getting more silent every stream. I can turn the volume up a tiny bit. How's that? Sound okay for me? Alright, okay. Is this size good, or do we need to go bigger? I can't remember what it was originally like. I think it's this big. Oh yeah, lol. Oh, 20% volume. Well, that makes a bit of sense. Yeah. This jazz is really loud for me. Oh, there we go. It's a bit quiet. So yeah, we're working on the I'm working on making a base that's square, and you can't connect it if it's not square, if that's the right thing. So we need a way to get the other base in wire. So we'll do a public void above public void get other base. Oh, it needs to be a base, doesn't it? Public base get other base. Base underscore base. Why is this wrong? Oh right, yeah, it needs to return. So base underscore this base. And that'll be called from. By the way, I think I found your channel through Doorbell Prod. Interesting. I don't actually know how much I've talked to him. I don't know. Yeah. And then if underscore this base equals right base start base equals start dot get component. I think we need to do get object dot get component base. Okay, and then base end base. Oh, we need to underscore these. Underscore end base equals end dot get component. There we go. So we're going to use this in our square base thing to detect if it's a, yeah, because this is a square base. So this is fine, this makes a wire. this is the logic we need for attaching. You like the square idea? Yeah, I think you suggested it, or you suggested something like it. I think you suggested colours, and I'm doing the square instead. So then, if oh, that's a problem. Is there a way to get the... this is a predicament. So what I want to get is... I've done the get of a base function wrong, I think. So then let's just have a quick look. Let me just put true in there so it gets rid of the annoying squiggles. But yeah, how's everyone's day going? I've got some interesting guitar things that I want to do for the music. Ah, Mister, thank you for subscribing, man. I think that's 1111 subscribers. That's pretty epic. So then, but yeah, how's everyone's day going? Oh, people putting stuff. Oi, fight me, bruv. How you doing, Camden? Looking forward to get my results on Thursday. Yeah, I get mine on Thursday. I'm not looking forward to that. But yeah, today's going well. You good as well? Excellent, Camden. So then, this does work, but it's not what I really wanted it to do. We'll have to, if underscore start base null, then we return if end base doesn't equal. I don't know why it would equal null, but we're just going to check. This doesn't actually need to be an else because it already returns, but you know. Yeah, hopefully this is going to get a bit more interesting once I get this done, because we've got a tiny bit more programming to do. Although I might just be able to import an old script, and then we should be on to like music, particles, sound effects. Sound effects are always fun because you get to hear me make stupid noise into the mic. So we want to, if I don't have to do type. Type comparison C#. If mouse pointer current wire dot get current, no, it's get over base, and then it's this. So yeah, I just need to determine. I'm just checking type comparisons up on Microsoft Documents because I have no idea what I'm doing. Well, let's have a look. a peek, a look. Determines if the underlying system and the current type is the same as the underlying system as a specified object or type. Okay, so I think we can just do dot equals square base. Dot equals square base controller. So this means I'll comment it. If the other base is a square base, we can attach. Clickety clackety. Ah, Spacebar's here. How you doing? Oh, compiler error. I just copied this off the Microsoft documentation. What? Ah, Gerald's here too. How you doing? Hold up, I've literally just copied this straight off my... Okay, we're going Stack Overflow instead. Stack Overflow to the rescue. You good, Joel? Excellent to see. Wait, okay. So now we need to make, we've got our square base. Remove component, add component, square base controller. I've just realised we didn't even need the little bit of work we did in our abstract class anyway. Oh, well, we'll keep it for now and see if this breaks, and then we can use that, because that should fix it. Right, so we get these, we'll set this right to square. And we've got this. So hopefully that doesn't work. Good. Ah, man. We need to add some logic in the other ones as well. So we're going to base controller. We want to attach. Control X. Insert, we'll just... Did I just yoink that out? Whoops. Delete all of this. Copy this in. Although I think it's the same code, so that was a bit pointless. Is not. Aha. Got him. Right, this should work. Oh, single should work. I need to drink. Stay hydrated. But yeah, hopefully this jazz music shouldn't get us copyrighted like the last one. What game engines did you use before Unity? Scratch. And... Scratch. Yeah, not many. Yo, Leb's here, how you doing? Uh-oh, why has that worked? What? Hold up. Oh, because I put in the wrong logic. Oh, I'm such an idiot. Wait, C# is and equal. C# you can do equal, but I think they're slightly different, and it's complicated. All the new, I hate all the new like operators like is or like not. They're really annoying, but they're slightly different, and you need them to achieve some things. Oh, whoops, that's for later. You shall see. What do the squares do? So the squares are just different to the circles. So the circles can't attach to the squares, and the squares can't attach to circles. And my cable's just stuck to my foot. I don't know how that's happened. So yeah, if we go like this, it shouldn't work. Go like this. Ah, that doesn't work either. Well, that's good. But this works. We can't attach these. Can't attach that. Oh, yeah. The moving... We need to just quickly... We'll just wrap this because we have our moving base controller. Moving base controller. I actually think you're supposed to do it like this, are you? Yes. Oh. Oh, so like the color ID. Ah, was it you that gave me the color? It's Python style C#, yeah. Painful. Yeah. Oh, it was you that gave the color idea. Awesome. I thought it was Drover. Banger logo. Yeah. So this looks to me like it's working. Oh. What? Why can this still attach to other things? Do we need to write the logic in the moving component too? Woo. We'll just copy this across to the moving one. Brain. Yeah. In Scratch, it is impossible to make a line change size. You can only change size using aspect ratio. Yeah, I think that's why you draw a load of circles instead. Now I can't even find the moving... what? Hold up. Ah, here it is. So we want... It's in the... Mouse has wire. We don't. We want to attach section. This. Control V. There we go. Okay, so this should work. Also, my mic's in the wrong place. Maybe you might be able to hear me a bit better if I move it up here. So then, this connects to this, but doesn't connect to this. This doesn't connect to this. This doesn't connect. This doesn't connect. This doesn't ignore this. But this does. This does. This does. This does. Excellent. Things are working. That is a lot smoother than usual. Okay. So, I actually tweeted what we were going to do because I knew I'd forget. And I've already forgot. Live again, more N8Jam, hoping to work on some final gameplay bits, levels, music, and juice. Maybe we should start to create per-type interfaces / superclasses. Yeah, I've got one for the base, but it's sort of underlying. It's a bit weird. But it's generally helped out quite a bit. What mic do I have? Yay, game work. My mic is an XM8500 and it's hooked up to the cheapest Behringer mic interface I could find on Amazon. Juice, yes. I now have a 3 million-year-old fossil. Interesting. How do you have that? Or maybe you should move the on mouse over stuff into your base one. Yeah, but the logic's different between them, so I'd have to override it anyway, and it'd be the same size. So then, time to make some levels with our square base now. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Okay, and so I'm gonna have them like, yeah, it'd make adding items easier, but it's the same logic anyway, so I don't know. Well, it's not the same logic, sorry. So it'd just be a class inheriting off not much. What I'd do, I'd make one script that had all the objects and stuff. I don't know about that. That doesn't seem like a good idea. Whoops, why am I rotating it? And then we put the square base 3 and 2. Put this square base. Yep, that'll work actually. Move this one -2. Oh no, this is not Roblox, I agree. It's not a good idea. It's not a good idea because, well, everything's in one script, so there's not really everything. Yeah, it's not a good idea because it all inherits from. No, that's not wrong. That's not right. Well, first off, you got one massive file, and also, well, yeah, it's just not a good idea to be honest. Like, why not? Why not just have them in different files? You get so much more. Like, you actually know what you're looking at. If I go into timer, I know this is the timer. I think Lua's like centered around one class. Oh yeah, Lua sucks. Good. Hold up. Alright. Hold up, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that works. 1, 2. Yes, that also works. I want to move this one up to 2. Across to 0. Then move this up to 0. I think this works. So it looks like you can do that, but you actually have to cross those over. Well, I use module scripts, so that makes scripts so easy for everything. I don't know about that. Could I take a look at your 3 million? I'm also interested in your 3 million years old fossil. So yeah, we go across here, but you can't cross that. So you have to go like this, like this, like this, like this. Uh-oh. We have a problem. This is not working. Why? Does this work on any other scenes? No. Problem. Everything appears to be broken. So, is the game state manager broken, or is the loading scene manager broken? Ah, Mr. Motion's here. How you doing? They have the limitation of non-object oriented programming languages. Yep. So we do this, we do this. Okay, so this logic isn't working. Also, it says there's 0 bases in the scene. You're doing good, excellent, Mr. Motion. Where is me water? Any progress? Yeah, lots of progress, but I've just broken my scene loading system. we made a no way, Chadderbox, he's alive. Yes, he is. Yeah, so we made this new square base that can only be connected to other square bases. But somehow that's broken my scene loader. Not really sure why. Doorbell is here. Doorbell is epic. Print. Completed amount. This is bizarre. 18 bases.count is equal to 0. But why? Me who doesn't use Unity, I can only watch. I can try and sort of explain things in a bit more detail. I kind of assumed everyone uses Unity, but I've just realised that there are people here that really don't. So yeah, I'll go into a bit more detail about things that are happening. What? So the problem here is for some reason we can't get all of our bases. It just can't find them, which is quite odd. I don't know. Unity isn't too hard. We'll have to leave classes. Oh, lucky. Have fun though. I don't know. Try. I used Unity for like a week, but I gave up to go learn OpenGL. I used Unity, but I realised I hated myself. Well, good on you if you actually got anywhere with that. Print. GetObject.findObject.type. Dot length. Makes your brain numb. I can understand. What? We'll just go straight into level 1. What happens here? Scratch is the best. Okay, so it knows all of these are hit. What? Lucky I learned Java via Minecraft and C++ via Arduinos. I learned Java while doing some Minecraft modding. What on earth is going wrong here? I have literally no idea why this is happening. So it works if I load directly into the scene, but it doesn't work. Maybe you should start to spam debug prints. That's what I was just doing. Yeah. But the problem is that it works when we load into the scene, but it doesn't work when we... Does that mean it's not being carried over through, like... Hold up. It must not be being carried over through the do not destroy and load. You gotta spam harder. How about Game Builder Garage? I've seen people make Doom and stuff in it, but it doesn't look very good, so I don't know. Right, let's just take a peek into our... So we've got our global game state manager. Here we go, play. Game state manager is still here, but it isn't working. When did I write multiplayer? What does this even do? Power wash simulator's the best. Don't destroy and load. Only works with game objects or components on root objects. Don't need you. So what on earth's the problem here? Run. Okay, 0, yep. Ah, I know the problem. Yep. Ladies and gentlemen, we've got him. Hopefully, if I can find the script. So I'm just checking if do not destroy. I am at 1.11k subs. In fact, I think we're on exactly 1111 subs because someone subbed earlier. Yes, we are 1111. So then, I just need to check. Let me just print. No, because start isn't called every scene, is it? But we can check. You know how long you're gonna stream more? I'm probably gonna stop streaming a load. I know I'm gonna stream during Bracky's game jam. But then I go back to school, and so that could be kind of hard. But it should be back to like decent, high quality videos at that point. Yes, this didn't work. So we're going to need to bust out the using Unity engine.c management, I think. I always spell engine wrong. And then we need a private void scene loaded and then what we're going to do is we're going to load lock equals false because we just loaded a new scene. Oh yeah, I also need there's a video talking about game building garage that's talking about how bad it is. Ah, well, maybe it's not good then. Timer. I'm just going to set every timer to 10 because I think having every level be 10 seconds would be pretty cool. And also you don't really need it to be that slow, do you? So let's just go through and check every timer is on 10. 10, 10, 10, 10. I can't count, but I think they're all on 10, so it's fine. Okay. And now we've got scene loaded. We need to do this scene manager dot on scene. What is it? Scene loaded plus equals scene loaded. There we go. Oh, what's happened here? Oh yeah. Uh-oh. I've used this a lot before. Why is it not working? What have I done wrong? Scene loaded. What's it called? It's called scene loaded. Why is this not right? We'll just go into the editor and see if it works. Nope. Uh-oh. I don't think I can finish N8Jam. Oh, I don't know. I'm not going to be doing it for the entire time. I'm just going to be... Ah, right. I need this in here. There we go. Yo, we've got 11 viewers at the moment. It's kind of high. Gonna be away for a while. Good luck with the problems that are about to appear. Imagine Chadderbox won. Ah, no, I won't. The game isn't very fun. So yeah, I'm wondering when I need to get to the point where I have to make alt accounts to compete in game jams, because I don't know, people. I was in a Discord server the other day for a new game engine, and someone, like the owner of that server, added me and said, "Yo, you're here." So that's pretty cool. But I don't know, are people actually starting to recognize me? Kind of scary. But in theory, this should work now. Bang, 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 bang. Oh, what? Bruh. Oh, I didn't. Wait, what? Now I'm really confused. Why didn't this work? I think I need some water. Right. Come on. Play. It works. It doesn't work. What is the problem? Bro, you know I'm gonna speedrun the hell out of this game. Well, it shouldn't be that hard. It should just be pow 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 pow. You know? If you have a drawing tablet, you could do it so quick. It works. But for some reason, it just doesn't. Okay, maybe we need... Dot. Where are all the actions? Maybe we need to do it on active scene changed. I think we're gonna go for that. Just gotta know which things to link up. It shouldn't be that hard. No overload for scene load matches delegate. Oh yeah. Active scene change. What do you take? Scene. Other scene. Is this gonna work? Then you can be speedy. You can. Oh, that's... Oh no. Ah, what is this? Why is this happening? I have zero clue why on earth this could be happening. False, false, false. It's still false. So why is it not working? So this isn't the problem. The problem must be somewhere in here. Oh, hold up. Whoops, I didn't mean to zoom in there. I might have realised the problem. Maybe. It still doesn't work. Oh. This is so confusing. I've zero clue why this isn't working. Maybe I do. Great, Google has banned the message I sent. You love to see it. We do love Google, our almighty overlords. Top 5 game engines. I've only used like 3 of them, so I can't say. Maybe 4 if you count Roblox. But you'd probably go Unity, the blue robot one that no one can agree with the name on, Unreal, and then if you count Roblox, Roblox. Did you? Yeah, Google's owned by Alphabet. Wait, is everything working now? I say that. No. No, it isn't. Why has this happened? It's just frozen. I forgot Scratch. Oh yeah, Scratch is number 1, of course. This is a problem. This is a big problem. Why is this not working? We gotta go full like debug mode now. We're actually using a debugger for the first time. So yeah, I think it should be running. No, it isn't. Okay, well we run you now. And we should pause. We should be able to look through all our variables. Can we? No. Where are our variables? Let me... what's happened here? Do you count the Mario Level Maker as a game engine? Maybe? There is no logic. Why? No clue. Right. What on earth has happened here? Oh, is it because we paused it? Aha! Nope, okay. Never mind that then. So that works, that works. But then as soon as we have more... For basing underscore bases. So as soon as this happens, everything freezes. Why? Help. Please. What has actually gone wrong here? I think we need a breakpoint, to be honest. I pronounce... Now that is criminal. How could you pronounce it like that? And that's clearly the wrong way to pronounce it. We're gonna set a breakpoint here. Actually here. There we go, frozen. Right, so now we can look through our game objects. Scene, doesn't matter. Underscore base, we want to look at bases. Oh. Non-public members, bases, here we go. Count equals 1. Why does the count equal 1? Also, Unity's frozen. Great. Okay. Attach debugger. Here. Count equals 1 because you count. Is count 1 less than the actual amount? Because if so, that is a predicament. So that works. This non-public members bases count equals 1. Base. Right. Count equals 1. It only contains 1 base. Why? My mind is blown. Oh no, count equals 2. Here we go. Yeah, I should have put the breakpoint down here. Whoopsie doopsie. That should have frozen us, but okay. This has. Oh, I didn't attach the debugger. Nay. Base. Yes. Right, so play. This. Non-public members, bases. Count equals 4. That's correct. Okay. We got the right amount of count there. Here. Count equals 4. That's correct. Now then, here we go. Count equals 6. So that's fine. Just for some reason, we freeze while trying to load. So why does this happen? Because I have no clue. Not one. It really shouldn't do that. So, we need to figure out why it's frozen. Yep, here we go. Scene fader. So it's not actually. Oh no. Oh, what a waste of time. Oh, I spammed the console with debug logs. I didn't realize there was actually errors. Oh. Oh no. I can't believe I've done that. I feel so stupid. Well, at least we know it works now. We just need to add all the scenes to the build, because I forgot to do that. Because I'm smart. Well, here we go. Here are all the levels. Oh no. I'm happy we have the jazz. Because otherwise I would be very angry. Okay. And then this one, this one, this one. Yeah, this seems kind of easy. Wait, Barji is live. Oh, guys, got to stop the stream to watch Barji. Although, all seriousness, let's check what he's up to. New lower sub prices in the United Kingdom. He's doing some OpenGL. Excellent. I'll wish him good luck, and then we can move on with the stream. But yeah, he'll probably stream for longer than me, so I might check that out after I finish my stream. But now we have all of our levels working. One stream on each monitor. It'll be who can shout the loudest. Oh no. He's escaping. Also, I want to fix that level. So I figured out yesterday I could just set it to minus and have it be how I actually wanted it to be. Whoops. I feel like on level 6 it moves too fast and then just drags it back through, so... Oh, whoops. 1. 0.2. No, not 0.2, minus 2. Ooh. Hope that doesn't happen in the game, because that could kind of suck. Okay, so now we've done that, we can work on some sound effects, I think, or maybe another 2 or 3 levels. What should we work on now? We'll put it for a poll. Can I do those? I can. There we go, we have a poll. I didn't know I could do those. Wait a minute, I just posted that on my community page. Where's that gone? I can't see it. Now I'm worried. What does the poll do? Ah, there it is. So yeah, you can vote. Yep. Okay, I was worried that he'd gone into the community. Oh, 3 people voting for sound effects. Okay. Oh, 1 person wants levels. Yeah, by the way, if you post some levels in the Discord server, I'll probably add them. Okay, we'll give it another... Ooh, if I open the clock, it'll... I'll say on here. We'll give it another 30 seconds. And the timer is started. Oh, you know what? Levels is catching up with sound effects. 40, 60. Six seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. Okay, so we're gonna do some sound effects then. Let's go. I've got my not spyware version of Audacity, and we're gonna make some sounds. So then, I want some like satisfying pop pop bop sounds on the picking up. So we'll just eat the mic, I suppose. Bop, 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 boop, bop, 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 bop. There you go. That is how you make professional sound effects. Tracks. I need to make mono. Should have done that first. Bop, 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 bop. These are quality sound effects, right? Bop, 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 bop. So what I'm probably just gonna do to them is this. Bop, bop, bop. I made it worse. Maybe we want to boost the treble. Bop, 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 bop. Yeah, exactly. Bop, 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 bop. And then we'll... I think you can, like, inverse sliding stretch them. That's what I want to do. I think this does what I wanted it to do. If not, then we're going to end up with some awful sounding bops. Bop, 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 bop. Interesting. Okay. Not sure that did exactly what I wanted it to do, but we'll go for it. Bop, 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 bop. That's the inverse of what I wanted. Bop, 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 bop in chat. We'll wah it. Ah, the first one. Ooh. Yes, this is what I wanted. You see, now, because you know I made these sounds, all you're going to hear when you're playing the game is me going pop, 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 pop. But that is what we want. Maybe a bit more cartoony. I might compress it. Effect. Pop, pop. Compressor. Yep, run it through that. Oh no, that's not the what I wanted it to do at all. That's like the opposite of what I wanted. Compressor, where are you? Lower this. Lower that. 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 There we go. No, that's... I didn't leave the stream to watch Barji. Nope, not at all. No, I didn't see you in his chat, I promise. So we'll go for... I want to make it like, boosted, but... Where's the presets? I don't want the default. Oh, that kind of worked. That is perfect, though. That is exactly what I wanted. Although it's supposed to be kind of hackery, isn't it? We'll add it and see how it sounds. Yeah. Please don't open up in a random folder. Ah, there we go. Pop 1. Pop, pop. Well, this should be good. Yep. Yo, call Barji and play the sound effect. Should I just send him? I'll just send him a bop out of nowhere. No, I don't think I will. I don't think you'll like that. Pop. 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 Oh no, not that. It sounds like I'm getting like beaten up. Chadder, you're also making one of my sound effects true, making the S effects with your mouth. Yeah, I mean that's the best way to do it, really, isn't it? If we pitch this down, this could be good. No, it isn't good at all. Never mind. Why don't you use the sound effect SFXR? Don't really feel like it. I don't know. It's pretty cool, but I'm not sure how well it'd fit. Especially with the music I'm kind of planning. This is going to be pretty interesting. Yeah, everyone uses SFXR. I'm gonna try and be a bit different. Oh, perfect. Yep. We want this one. You see the amount of quality you can pack in 4 seconds of saying bop, right? Some of the best sound effects you've ever heard. I'm joking. Maybe a warble sound effect? Right. Oh, maybe. Good idea. I'll give that a try. So if we take this and we... what's it called? Flanger? Oh no, tremolo. Manage. Factory presets. Oh, okay, then we'll go... Yeah, go for this. More of a tremolo. 50 times. Didn't really work. Barji just leaked his IP. Oh, what a shame. It'll change again in 2 minutes anyway. You can just turn his router on and off. Although it is a bit of an oops. It depends if when he turns his router off or not. I know it doesn't change while you're using it, of course. But like, it isn't that big of a deal. You can't really do much with an IP address. His neighborhood and his IP. Genius. Oh, you can't do much with an IP. It's fine. Whoever restarts their router. Ah, you're supposed to do it like once a month, apparently. You can only DOS it if it's got open ports. So unless he's got like a Minecraft server running, then I think he's fine. Thumbnail sus. Hi Super Falcon, how you doing? Right, I think we've got a nice selection of bops here. Ooh, that's good. We've got more bops. Port 80? What's open on port 80? I need to do some Googling. Oh, what, 80? No, you can't DOS that. Web server. Yeah. Also, how's the power outage? Painful, but I was, it wasn't power outage, it was Wi-Fi. But I was away for a while, so it wasn't really that bad, because I missed half of it. Right, okay, we've got enough bops here. Let's add them in. Create folder, sound, create folder, SFX, create folder, music. Ah, now this is where I get... I really don't think that IP locators are very accurate, mate. I could probably put mine in at the moment. My IP. IP locator. Let's go on this one. Bang, find. Where does it think I am? Okay, this one thinks I'm in Bristol. I do not live in Bristol. Quite far from it. How far away is Bristol? Where is Bristol? Relative to me. Maps. Yeah, Bristol's on the other half of the country. So, what, put my IP in here? What does Stondonk do? Don't have much time to my, or I could have participated too. Website filtering. I don't really know what Stondonk does, to be honest. Well, now you said you don't live in Bristol, you've narrowed it down more. Well, you can have it even better. I live in the north of the country. So, you know, you've only got a few 100 miles to cover there. Uh-oh, what on earth was I... Oh yeah, sound effects. I get to flex my epic sound effect API that I worked on for ages, and now I need to completely rework because I realised it sucks. But, for now... yeah, we just make a data... Oh no, not a new folder. Create, data, playlist, bops. Oh, I just spat all over my desk. Bops. And now we can lock this, open our clips, drag everything in here, and bang. I used AVG and it told me my exact building. Well, anyways, now I've gone even longer. We'll have fun there. We'll just back. I thought Bristol was north for a long time. Yeah, to be honest, I didn't know where Bristol was for a few... I don't know. I always thought it was like northwest. Not northwest, northeast. But that is... I think I was thinking of Hull. So then... Now we've got our bops, we can go into our global manager and public, oh wait, you need to do using audio, public playlist, bops. But Bristol never existed until now. Ah, you're in Northeast? Very nice. Public playlist bops. I'm not actually sure how someone leaks their IP on stream, to be honest. I live completely south. So you live, I don't know. What's interesting in the south that isn't London? It's very cold down there. You shouldn't be warmer. Although it's quite nice today, actually. It's quite nice. He did a speed test. Alright, he was flexing his 600 megabyte a second internet. He did commit a bit of an oops. Then, if he did a speed test on stream. But yeah, now we've got bops, we can do... Oh, we need some boops for when we detach as well. Oh, I've just realised I need to go through every... Oh wait, maybe we can do... audio dot... We'll include audio at the top. Using audio... I think that the chat display is broken. Is it? How's it broken? For the stream. It looks like it's working for me. I don't know. It's a bit slow, but aside from that, it is working. Wait, no, it's not. Yeah, I was like, what's gone wrong? So now what we can do is we can do sound.play, sound at random pitch, and we'll do global manager dot... Oh, I need to make it public actually. Where's global manager? Public static playlist bops equals manager dot bops. There we go, and now we can get globals dot bops dot random, and this will just play as a nice sound at random pitch. Hopefully, and hopefully it shouldn't be too loud. Uh-oh. The variable end of wire has not been assigned. I assume it's because I've not... the problem's probably because I've not assigned bops. Barji's gonna have a hard time sleeping tonight. Why? It's just me. Yeah. I really don't think anyone's gonna get anywhere near his house. How many people were watching you stream? Like 15 people when I was there? So, you know. Oh no, 15 people know my IP. What a shame. Yeah, what are we looking for? Oh yeah, the global manager in resources. And unlock the inspector. Bops. Here we go, this should just work. Nah, 20, yeah, 31 people before. Why is this not working? I hope it isn't the sound. If it's not the sound that's broken. Oh, I've just opened a voice changer. I hope it's not like annihilated my voice. I hope not anyway. I don't know. And then he stopped the stream. Has he stopped it now? No, he's still live. Shadow, why do you have a why do I have a voice changer? It's just for messing. Sometimes I run like VSTs through it or like auto tune or something. Okay, so the sound effect just breaks everything for some reason. He restarted and deleted the VOD. Right. Yeah, I don't really think anyone cares about getting his IP. Why is this not working? The variable end of wire has not been assigned. What if I do this too? Hey, Manisha's here. How you doing? I hope this game's cool. I don't know about this. I'm not sure how fun it's gonna be, but yeah, I'm very happy that you're hosting this jam because it's been pretty cool. Okay, so the sound effects break everything. Why do the sound effects break everything? Play sound effect at random pitch. Have I not set up my audio manager properly? I think so. Yeah, I've not set up my audio manager properly. This is always a bit of a disaster. So then, where is it? Well, maybe it'd be smart if we actually had an audio manager in the first place. Yeah, so that isn't the brightest. This has happened a lot. A lot of stupid mistakes. Uh-oh, what's it called? Sound effect manager. And now we just need to make a audio source. There we go. Now this should work. We can go back. And okay. I have to get back to work. Good luck, game dev. Yeah. Good luck, you too. But hopefully, this should work. What? What? Now, when they said break the system, I don't think they meant break the audio system. What's happened here? I think you might have space. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we can attach Windows and V, and we'll play our thing. And then Windows and V, and we play this. I don't know. Oh, that was actually good timing. The music started doing that weird thing. Okay. So now this is on the square. That's annoying that we have to copy paste this all over everything. But you know. Oh, we need to copy paste using audio all over the place, do we? What other bases do we have? We've got I probably could have made a base connect class actually. Was it Ultra Black talking about that earlier? Now I look back on it, that would have been smarter because I thought the logic was different, but I've just looked through this and the logic looks very much similar. Okay, and then uh-oh. Not you. I don't know why Roblox player is always at the top of my new in Windows. globals, .bobs, .random. Yep, that's what we want. Paste. I think this is the attach, yep, and this is the detach. Okay, now it should go bop bop when we want it to go bop bop. Windows wants you to make another Roblox game. I need to uninstall it. Why is this happening? This would be such an odd game to play. You're trying to play it and it's just bop, 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 bop. Why did it do that? Drowning noises. Yeah. Why does that happen? Right, we're gonna move all this logic back into the wire. And I'm gonna, I know what I'm gonna do. I know what I'm gonna do. We're gonna just have a little lock on the sound effect so it doesn't keep doing that. So it's just gonna lock when it plays, unlock when it doesn't. Or when it, like, disconnects. Yeah, lock when it disconnects. So we just do... Stop audio bug. I don't know why it keeps calling that markdown extension dot toggle preview not found. Interesting. Bool audio lock equals false. Okay, and then we're gonna have a little cheeky put private in there first. Private void audio lock. No, play audio is what we want. Hold up, this doesn't really work, does it? Also need to put using audio at the top. So then, what we can do is, so we want to, yeah, the better idea is just to put it in the logic itself. What is this music? Not audio lock. Bang. Audio lock equals false. Wait, no, true. If audio lock equals false. And hopefully this should just stop the pop 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 sound. I like to see what Joe was putting in chat watching both streams. Right. Oh no. Why does that happen? The curse of the bops. Right. So maybe we want two different ones. And we want lock, join, private, bool, audio, lock, unjoin, I suppose. And bool. Yeah. Not audio lock join. Audio lock join equals true. Audio lock unjoin equals false. Audio lock unjoin. Audio lock unjoin equals true. And then audio lock join equals false. Although I think this does the same thing. So maybe we're still gonna hear the bop bop. But I hope not. Because that would kind of suck. What time is it? Ah, jeez, we've been going for a bit already. Quite spicy, yeah. An hour and a half. I really do want to get on to making the music, because that's going to be the interesting part. And if this bop will stop. Why? It's actually lagging the game. I'm so confused. I don't know why the bops keep bopping. Chadderbox. This is so stupid. This just shouldn't happen. I don't know what... It's not like it's joining and unjoining. Indie game drowning. Jeez. What is this? Bop, 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 bop. It seems to be getting lower and lower pitch the more it plays. Just getting more and more depressed. Why is this happening? It can't just be rapidly... Oh. So it sets the end... Nate's gonna love Drowning Simulator 2021. You will. First place. Quality game. What happened? I went to the bathroom. Well, my sound effects for some reason just sound like drowning. Yeah, and like that's all it does. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna rework it for the 5th time. Private, what have we got in our paste menu? Alright. Bool audio lock join equals false. Private bool audio lock unjoin equals, I keep doing that, true. There we go. And this is when we join, so if audio lock join Audio lock join equals true. Play. Audio lock unjoin equals false. Ah, Lim, how you doing? And then we can just copy this into our disconnect method. And audio lock unjoin, audio lock unjoin, audio lock join. And this should just work. So let's just copy all of this into our other few classes, and we should be good. Wait, you remembered me, lol, doing good. Good luck. Awesome. If not, audio lock join. Oh yeah, we're gonna start copy pasting our you know what, Nate would hate this. If he saw this code, I think he'd disqualify me. Also, this code is in the wrong section. And then we copy this, go down to this section, paste it, go down to this section, paste it. Wow, this isn't repetitive. Right, okay, hopefully not Drowning Simulator 2021. Are we ready? Why? What happens here? How does this even happen? Oh, whoops. Hit my mic. That sound was me going bop 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 because it's supposed to be a connection sound, but for some reason it keeps replaying and just sounding like me drowning. It's Chad, sir. Bop bop bop. Yeah. Oh man. This is a disaster. Right, so we're gonna have a variable that's true when we're attached, not true when we're not attached. So how's the game so far? It's pretty good. The only thing we need to fix is our weird bop bop bug. But yeah, it's like a hacking game where you gotta connect up all these wires. And also, has my thing broken again? I think my scene loading's broken again. Oh man. Right. Joined equals false. Okay. So here, and not joined. Okay. And then after this, joined equals true. Okay. And joined equals false. So hopefully this should work. But I've said that about 5 times before. And so I'm not very optimistic. I'm so confused. I bet this game will be first in the sound music category. 10 out of 10 sound effects. Right. I have a solution. I actually do have... That's actually a decent idea as well. So what I'm going to do... No, this is not the most humiliating thing I've programmed. You should see the code behind propulsion. I used IL2 CPP, so it was faster, but also because like it's harder to decompile, and it means people can't see the rubbish that I put in, because it's awful. Right, so in on mouse down, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start a coroutine. Wait, play sound, okay. And then what this is gonna do, we need to use system.collections. Using system.collections.generic. Is it? What? I'm really confused. What? Is this where it's just system? Ah, here we go. Yield. Return. Did I say I want to mod it? No, you didn't. I can probably help you with that. Is break the system the theme? Yeah, break the system's the theme of the jam. But at the moment, the broken system just appears to be my sound system. Private. Void. Play sound. And then we just yoink this in here. We'll have this as a local variable. That's weird. And then what we're gonna do is start coroutine, wait, play sound. There we go, nice and clean. And so hopefully this should work. Oh yeah, we need to check if joined. Maybe the bop could be the main gameplay. Okay, so hopefully we can just call play sound at the bottom here, because it checks if we're joined or not. You have to count the amount of bops. It just picks a random bop and you're going to count them. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh, I think it's time for me to go and make some coffee or something, because I've just figured out the problem. So the problem isn't the code. The problem... Oh, do you want to hear the sound file, guys? So if we go into this, our sounds, sound effects, bop, you'll notice every single one of these is the exact same looking file. And that's not a coincidence. That's one file. I didn't export an individual file. I exported all of the sounds, and that's what's playing. That is awful. That is one of the stupid. Yeah. Whoever said this is one of the most embarrassing moments of your career. Yes, it is. Yeah. That is probably one of the stupidest things I've ever done. Well, I was gonna do this in this game jam in 3 days. I'm honestly debating just going, just leaving. Wow. Right. We're gonna make up for our mistakes. Oh, I feel so stupid. Yeah, the problem, Lim, is that I'm not actually playing a load of sound effects like I thought I was. I just exported all the sound effects and played them, and instead of yeah. Ah. Oh man. I needed to click export selected audio, but previously I clicked export as wave. Oh. uh, I think I might need to clip that, to be honest. Yeah. I'll write that down, and I'll save that to remind myself how stupid I am. Yeah, that's going in the video. If you ever feel stupid, just remember that I tried to get vector 4 by doing var b equals vector 3 plus 1. This is big brain time. Yeah, we just find a few more bops. This bop looks good. Yep. Export selected audio. Bop 3. Oh, I can't get over that I've done that. It could be worse. I could have accidentally shown my IP address on stream. JK. Get a therapist to help me recover from being so stupid that I exported the same sound effect 6 times. We'll say this is our last sound effect. Oh yeah, I don't know if you can actually read this text box here, but it says a file named C users com downloads blah 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 already exists. Com, right? Because so many people ask me. Com literally just means computer. So there you go. We're just gonna import these, replace files. Okay, now the bops will work. That was a joke, Joel. Way, it works. Now, time to undo all of this and go back to the system that did work, even though, but I just thought it didn't. Bob. Yeah, and just the one of them this time. But yeah, we can literally just put this in and it should work. Oh man. Some next level big brain. Yep. Chadderbox, more like Chadderbop, indeed. So this is going to be our attach sound. Actually no. 0.8 F to 1 F is going to be our attach sound. And then our create sound is going to be this. Good night. See ya. If you don't like the stream and sub, you will become stupid like me. Yes, true. Oh, right. Yeah, we're gonna make the best game, right? To so I can recover from being small brain. I think. Delete all this. Oh, someone's put something. I know. Has someone put something in chat? I can't tell. Well, that might have just been my Discord. I'm a bit dumb. There's that, and then moving base controller. Bang. Bang. Why is this broken? Oh, I've deleted a bracket somewhere, I think. How does it fit the theme breaking the system? It's supposed to be a hacking game, so I'm gonna add like a voiceover. Bro, I was gone for an hour and you're still live? Yes, indeed. Start coroutine move. Why is this broken? Is this just an accident one? Don't know if I put something somewhere by accident, but it appears to still work, so I'm not going to complain. What did you miss? Oh, you missed the bop, yeah. Oh yeah, you really did miss the bop. Maybe you didn't, I'm not sure. But yeah, the problem with the bop was I just exported the entire audio file of me going bop 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 bop. So yeah, that was the problem. And then in wire, in break, what we're gonna do is play the bop, but at 0.6 to 0.8. So we got bop bop bop. Oh, sound does not. Oh yeah, because we're not using audio. Yeah. Right, I've got to pretend that I'm cool to recover from being stupid. Excellent. Things are working. I don't know much about Unity, but maybe record one bop and maybe play the other. That's what I'm doing. Yeah, I've only got 6 bops, but I'm changing the audio pitch with a little library I wrote. But yeah, good idea. So now it's time to work on some music, which is the bit that I thought was going to be the interesting bit. So let me just open itch.io real quick, /N8Jam. So then, there's a bit of lore. And here's the lore. I could almost feel its potential as I dropped it into my hand. A loud thumping echoed throughout the area, reminded me... What? Oh, a loud thumping echoing throughout the area reminded me that this was not the end. I couldn't see behind my mic. So yeah, we need a loud thumping sound for our music. And I've recently picked up the guitar. But obviously you can't really make a loud thumping with a guitar. I mean, that's probably the best you can do. So what we're going to do... But I've got some plugins, you see. And if I just start this running now, and we can go... just wait for it to hit 4 so I know when to play it. But yeah, it's kind of a thumping. So I'm literally just going to have this as sort of the background music. It doesn't really need to be complicated. It can just be, you know. And it's pretty epic. Guitar songs are the best songs. Yeah, but unfortunately you need to be able to play the guitar to make good songs. And I can't make good songs or play the guitar. But yeah, that kind of works. So yeah. Also, in terms of guitar learning progress, I learnt this yesterday. Oh, whoops. So yeah, we are progressing slowly. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to record a take of me going brrr into the guitar and slap that into channel 2. You need to know piano or guitar or bass to make guitar songs. Yes. We need a noise gate. Whoops. What parameters do I have on here? Minus 32 to 0.4. Okay, excellent. And all I need to do now is just go like this, hopefully. Uh-oh. Not like that. And there we go. So what we do now is yep, sounds good, and we can run it. Wait, what? Why is it making more of them? Oh yeah, because we're still recording. Whoops. And delete, yes. Delete, yes. And run these through channel 2. And it should sound how we want it to. Oh yeah. So do you want let's do a vote, okay? So we can have it with the bass or with the guitar. So that's with the bass, and this is the guitar. So yeah, I've put a poll out. Which one do you think we should do? Oh yeah, I forgot we're playing into the wrong channel. Bass. Bass. Why did I read it like bass? Bass, in your opinion? Bass. Lots of votes for bass. Alright, okay. We'll give it 10 more seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And we will end the poll. So yeah, it ended up being about 25% guitar, the rest bass. I kind of like the top bit of the guitar. It sounds like an alarm, but if I go back to the theme, actually, it's like sort of a thump, and I think the bass is more thumpy. So if we... Oh, what? I want to shorten this, but I don't know how. Ah, here we go. Put trim on the lowest. Like that. Why is it not as loud as it was? Wait, I was looking at the chat. Ah, right. I want to remix your soundtrack, so I went back and recorded the guitar. Big brain time. But yeah, because each level's 10 seconds, we just need this to go on for 10 seconds, and it'll be like a kind of... We need the compressor up, I think. That reminds me of a song, but I can't remember the name. Why doesn't it last as long as... There's definitely, like, harmonics in there for, like, 10 seconds. I don't know why it don't last 10 seconds. Although we could just shrink it to 5 and then duplicate it. I suppose. Wait, what? Why does it sound like that? It's not running through pitch proof. Oh, there we go. And then I want to fade out at about 10 seconds. So, about here. Add automation track. Okay, we'll give this a go. Nice music. Yeah, I don't know. It's not really very musical, but it fits the theme pretty well. Right. Music. Where is it? In the music projects. Okay, and then I can put this guitar down now, I think. So then, well, lots of stuff in chat. I know, no man. Sorry, I have to go. Have a good stream. Look, see you, Lim. What type of music do you like to create? I'm not really sure. It just depends how I'm feeling, really. Right, so we'll see how this goes. Shaders, nope. Want to go into the global manager. Public playlist. Music equals null. Public static playlist. Music equals manager dot music. Wow. And then bass. Bass and bass. Yes, there's all the bass in this game. There's so many bass. So much bass. So many bass. All your bases belong to us. Oh no, all your bass are belong to us. In fact, we'll add that to the stream. Here we go. We've got Bassman. Transform. Edit transform. There we go. Well, that's kind of off center. That's really annoying me. 10. Oh, maybe that's a good idea. So in the game state manager on level load, we're just gonna do actually what we're gonna do is we're gonna have a new script, I think. Scripts. Great. Music manager. I hope there isn't one already called that. Nope, there isn't. Excellent. Open. There might be a crime, but I've never played Five Nights at Freddy's. Private audio. Someone said put Nate's face. I think putting Nate's face on would be a good idea. Void update. Oh no, void start. And then we want to go using Unity engine dot scene management. Private void scene changed. Scene, other scene, and then scene. Yeah, you suggested it yesterday. It's a good suggestion. And then in here we do a audio underscore audio source dot stop underscore audio source dot clip equals globals globals dot music dot clips dot even though there's only one clip in there, and then underscore audio source dot play. And so hopefully this works. And then resource preverbs. We want to go into here, add our little music player into the music. Oh, we can just do remove component, music manager. Here we go. Didn't work. Music trigger. Okay, then this should work. What? There's no argument. Oh, right. That's irritating. I will just copy paste the code. This is awful. Committing a code crime. Right, so what I'm gonna do is it's still not playing. I know why. Oh man. That's embarrassing. I've yet again not assigned the variable. Mamma mia. How long have you been doing game dev, and how did you get inspiration to do it? So I really wanted a computer, and I said I'll learn how to make games if you get me a computer. And I was allowed to get a computer. I was like, now I've got to learn how to make games, and I did. And it was a pretty good choice, because now I get to play games on my computer, and I get to make games on my computer. So, all in all, 10 out of 10. Good choice past me. Where did you learn C#? Brackeys how to make a game tutorial. And Google and Stack Overflow. I would make a corporation if you give me a computer. Now they're expensive, man. And you have to file taxes and stuff. Although I think I still do. But we'll deal with that when it comes to it, or when they find out that I haven't paid them. For now, they don't know. So we got main menu. Why are we getting null reference exceptions? Clear that. Play. Oh, what has happened here? Why is persistent audio listener throwing errors? CS19. Oh yeah. Whoops. Well, that's even stupider than before. Thanks, I've been looking to learn it. Hopefully, yeah, you should. Good idea. Oh, this works so much better than I thought it would. Oh, I like this. Oh yeah. I like that. Right, okay. That worked a lot better than I thought it would. Now then, should we record something for the main menu? I think we'll just go bit too high pitch, innit? Sounds awful. What's the theme? The theme is break the system. It's in the top, yeah, like the top bit next to the jam, and all your bass are belong to us. What can we do for the like intro? Should it just be like 2 notes going up and down? I remember the game I was talking about is an old Flash game about snipers. It had similar sound effects like this. Oh, it's fine that you didn't realise that was a theme. It just looks like a random image, doesn't it? Yeah. E and G sharp. I do not know how to play those notes, but let us have a look. E, guitar, chord. Right, so 2, 3, 1. Doesn't sound right to me. Well, that sounds fine to me. Just like that. We could just have it be like a siren. That's annoying. I played it in the wrong track. Yep, we're on the right one now. Good, good. I tried to make G minor and D major. Interesting. Right. So if we go 2, 3, 1. That'll sound fine when we put a pitch shifter on it. I don't know about that, Chief. Doesn't sound right. I'm not sure about that. Usually those two sound good together. The last chord gave up. Yeah. Right. That kind of sounds like an alarm. Did I record that? Where's it gone? I didn't record it. Pain. Man. I'm gonna go back to my computer if you reckon it's that interesting. Why is it not recording? Oh, I'm an idiot. Yep. Figured it out. I hate that YouTube puts top chat automatically. No one even likes top chat. Screw top chat, me and the boys hate top chat. How do I trim the end? Oh, there we go. There we go. We'll say that's good, because I don't know what I'm doing. Start. Epico. It says rendered. British people, someone makes fun of the Queen. Do you want to go to a remote mountain? Nah, mates. Send them to another continent on the underneath of the earth. Oh, I've put a folder inside a folder somewhere. Ah, it's fine. It's just me sprites. I always do that. It's really annoying. Sound, music, music, music. Alarm, N8Jam, menu. There we go. We've got our. Oh, it's got a massive trail on the end of it. Yeet them out of the solar system. I'm just going to quickly turn my microphone down. Because My siblings are getting shouted at. Very loud. So now I'm really quiet. Can you hear me? But essentially what we are going to do is we are going to import our alarm and trim it because it is really long. Like that. They're really getting shouted at. My remedy of yeeting works with annoying siblings. Yeet. Right, hopefully this should be better, and we can delete this. Import this. I have to shout, because that way it compresses out the shouting in the background. And it is also very quiet. Quite good, is it not? Okay, so now we have that sound. We are going to add it as an audio source to our main menu. Like this. Reset. Quality stream, I know. One of the most high quality streams you've probably ever listened to. Burst through the room and destroy your computer. They've done that on, they've pretty much done that before. No, they're not that bad. Well, that's quite cool, isn't it? It's just really loud. Yes, it works. Okay, let's just turn the volume back up a bit. Yeah, I am sorry for that. But yeah, stuff works. So yeah. I'm not really sure what else I want to add to the game apart from a few more levels. So should we work on a few more levels? Level 8. Level 9. Ho ho ho. And we'll delete all these. So we'll do moving circle. Normal one. Another. Yep, sure. Square, square. And so these squares are going to be set up so that when... Oh, nice. Happy you're still streaming. Awesome to hear that you're back too. It's not awesome to hear that I'm still streaming. That'd be a bit weird. So then, did Google ban your message again? Maybe. Why? What horrendous crimes have you committed now? Someone's playing music down my mic. When I said my siblings weren't that bad, yeah, they are pretty bad. I've just told them that I'm streaming, and they've immediately started playing Spotify down my smart speaker. So you know. You did the under 1 minute speedrun. I'm legally illegal. Well, are you? I don't know. So then we set... Oh no, this isn't... Oh, this is the wrong thing. This goes here. at the bottom, I suppose. Okay, still, David Cutter Music has great free non-licensed music. Gonna yoink that, and excellent. Yeah, we can go back to playing jazz now. Oh no, 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 no. Okay, that was almost another copyright disaster. But we've got jazz again. No, they were just playing random music. So we want it to go up. So we'll have it start at -2. And then does this make it go up? No, it goes down. It needs to go -2. By sibling, do you mean interdimensional demons? Yeah, it seems so. Oh, perfect. That is exactly what I wanted. Awesome. So we've got these set up, this set up, this. Okay, so the only thing that's in the same place is the first moving base. And we can set that up to be moving along the top as sort of like a bait. So does this work? It moves the wrong way. Ah, man. Oh yeah, that's what I wanted. So then, how can you... Yeah, you have to... This is good. I love this level. Right, so what you have to do is you got to connect these, and then get this. And it works. Oh yeah, this is actually what I was thinking of when I thought of the game idea, like a level that's actually like interesting. Yeah. Okay. What day is it today? Tuesday. Well, I could... Okay. I think I'm gonna work on this again tomorrow. So, I'll see you then. Everyone have a good day. I'm gonna end the stream. See you all. Is it like when you let go of the mouse, or no, you have to click down on it. But yeah. Bye everyone.